If we now look to the right, we can see points being added to the fridge. Now these start off as pink to say, yes, these are good points to track, but it doesn't yet know exactly where they are. However, as we then move the device, they turn green to go, yep, I've now got their 3D position, and we can place an augmentation. And we'll expand it off to the left as well. Okay, so now we've mapped out a pretty large area of my kitchen. And as well as expanding the map spatially, we can also expand it in scale. So if we look at the tiles above the cooker, there are a number of interest points there. But if we zoom in and get closer, more and more detail becomes visible, so more and more interest points can be added. And again, we can add another augmentation onto this surface as well. Okay, so now I just want to talk about some of the strengths of this system. So the first is that we can get in very close to these augmentations, at least in the areas that we've mapped closely. We can also move very far away. I think I get limited by my video recording wires. And also the augmentations are locked very tightly to the scene, which is why we call the technology magnet. There's very little jitter. We can cope with pretty fast motion as well. Though if we do lose track, which I think I do just there, we can recover again quite quickly.